guests, welcome to our little video. Let's plunge into the enchanting world of William Shakespeare, his sonnets and plays.
From the foreign world to Swedish height, still unseen with this language. Eat him, first my love, no, Louis, eat the silence.
With April's firstborn flowers and all things rare, that heaven's air in this huge round our hems. As any mother's child told not so bright, let him see more that life of his will. I will not write that papers not to sell.
Look to the sunset up in the tree. I'm sorry not the mornings on the TV. Bear the country with cheeks of the east. Know that full sky, ashes in the wind. As half I fall into the soberest, as souls the morning ice becomes a house. Oh, let me tell the spell, blessings I heard. Mom from the sun's morning as straight grace. And
самый горький из моих потерь. И последней капли горя.
My lady, oh, it is my love. Oh, only she knows she will. She speaks, if she says nothing. What is that? Your eye speaks to her.
or if you will not, swear to be my love, and I'll no longer be a captive.
Sure, I will.
Good night. Parting is such sweet sorrow that I can say good night until tomorrow.
Through your eyes, kiss your breast.
His glorified and time that gave those now his gift and past. Time goes, traffics the flowers set on yours, and bells the perilous in beauty.
And by opposing and then died to sleep. No more advise me to say when. The heartache in the thousand.
No, what is my heart that loves what they despise? Who, despite of you, is pleased to know? Where my ear stands God, who lives and swears the lifeless